Hello dear fans. Main rivers of France. The full-flowing beauties of the Loire and Seine are some of the main natural attractions in France. They inspire artists to create masterpieces, invite all tourists on excursions to this amazing country, and local residents are delighted with their power and natural beauty every day. Surrounded by majestic architectural buildings, the Loire is recognized as the longest river in France with a length of 1,012 kilometers with a basin area of 117,000 square kilometers. Loire's water currents begin their course from the department of Ardèche, located in the south of France, flowing north to Orleans, and then from east to west to the Atlantic Ocean itself. The length of the Seine is 776 kilometers, and the area of the river basin is 65,000 square kilometers. The river originates from the east of Burgundy, flowing through the Parisian basin. The Seine flows into the English Channel near the city of Le Havre. The Loire and Seine are rivers with an actively developing navigation system. Among the most famous ports of the Loire are Le Havre, Nantes, Bordeaux, and on the Seine are the main ports of the cities of Paris, Le Havre and Rouen. Today, the Pearl of France, the Loire, is a source of active development of the agricultural culture and tourism industry. In addition, the Loire boasts 9 imposing castles that are world-class landmarks. You will certainly want to visit all the castles, but this will take a long time. Therefore, it is best to visit the miniature park on the territory of the Castle of Amboise, where exhibits of all the castles are presented. A magnificent waterway, the Seine, is an integral part of the development of Paris, which divides the city into a right bank and a left bank. It is customary to perceive the right bank of the river as a trade and business point of the city, where you can see the famous Arc de Triomphe. And the left bank is considered the educational and cultural territory of the country. It is there that the Eiffel Tower is located. Thanks for watching.